In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Teamspace in Notion. If you manage a workspace in Notion, there may come a time when a Teamspace is no longer needed, maybe a project wrapped up or a department restructured. In Notion, removing a Teamspace is handled by archiving it, which effectively deletes it from everyday use. Archiving hides the Teamspace from members and prevents further edits, while keeping content preserved behind the scenes in case your workspace settings allow restoration later. With that context, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. Start by opening the Notion app. You can do this on the desktop app or in a web browser. The menus are virtually the same on the left-hand sidebar. Look for Settings and Members and click it. This is your central dashboard for workspace controls, including access, billing, and, most importantly for today, Teamspace management. If you don't see Settings and Members, make sure you have the right permissions in your workspace. Typically, admins or owners can archive Teamspaces. Once you are in Settings and Members, select Teamspaces from the menu. This view lists all active Teamspaces in your workspace, so you can quickly scan and confirm you are working with the correct one. Take a moment here to double-check the Teamspace's name and icon so you don't accidentally archive the wrong space, especially if your workspace has similarly named areas. Next, find the Teamspace you want to remove and click the three dots, the ellipsis next to its name. From that drop-down menu, choose Archive Teamspace. This is the action that removes the Teamspace from active use. It's a safe, reversible way to retire a space without immediately losing content, which is helpful for compliance or knowledge retention. Keep in mind that once archived, members will no longer see it in their sidebar or be able to edit content inside it. To finish, Notion will prompt you to confirm your choice by typing the name of the Teamspace. Carefully enter the exact name as shown, paying attention to spelling and any special characters. This confirmation step is designed to prevent mistakes, so it's worth taking an extra second to verify everything looks right. After you type the name and confirm, the Teamspace is archived and you are done. That's the complete process. Open Notion, go to Settings and Members. Select Teamspaces, open the three-dot menu. Choose Archive Teamspace, and confirm by typing the Teamspace name. If you don't see the archive option, you may need admin access. Thanks for watching.